Hey guys, how you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we're going to show you how to reinstall the cylinder cable on a Steelcase Think chair. Okay, so I do have the seat removed on this Think chair. This gives you a little more access point and you can kind of see what you're doing. So you want to grab the cable right here and put the metal stop into the first notch and then the plastic groove into the back notch and press down. You should fit snugly and not come up. And that's all. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching our video today. If you have any questions, reach out to us at crandalloffice.com and we'd be happy to hear from you. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.